Okay everyone, now let's go work on returning a value from a function with return. So we can pass values into a function with arguments, and we can use the return statement so we can send a value back out of a function. So in this case, we have a plus 3, we have the value num or argument num here, and we want to return num plus 3. So if we have a variable constant and we have an answer is assign the value of plus 3 and 5, that means num plus 3 is going to have a value of 8, and that's the returned value. So plus 3 takes an argument for num and returns a value equal to num plus 3. So create a function times 5 that accepts one argument and multiplies it by 5 and returns the new value. So times 5 function. Then we have a number, just to follow the same format that the example here. Times 5 should return 25, times 5 2 should return 10, times 5 0 should return 0. So we have 3 calls for the function that we will need to do here. So let's go and have times 5 times 2 and times 5 times 2 times 5 to 0. And what we want to do is to return num plus or multiplied by 5. Now of course we want to, do we still need to have a constant for that? Nope, we didn't need to do that because we just needed to call the functions. So what's happening here, we have a function times 5 and we gave it an argument of num so that we can go and call it, and we want to return the value num multiplied by 5 so that once we go and assign a value inside of the function here, we have the 5 that will be replacing the parameter that we have here. The argument num will be containing the 5, same with 2 and same with 0. So if we multiply 5 or num multiplied by 5, that will be outputting or returning 25, and here we will be returning 10 because 2 multiplied by 5, and if we multiply 0 by 5 we will have a return value of 0.